Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's great to have you along today. It is a beautiful, beautiful day today. Finished work a little bit early, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to treat the beautiful Africa Twin. So I shall see you after the intro, guys, and we shall get into it. So guys, yes, as you probably just read from the video title, it is New Rubber Day. About a week ago I purchased the new rear tyre for the bike. I'm sticking with the TKC 70rocks on the rear. I absolutely love that tyre, so I thought, why not? Let's get another season out of her on these tyres. So the people who I brought it from last time, they had one in stock, so I thought, right, I'll snap that up whilst I can. And then I was going to take it to Gaz at Fat Bloke Cycles to get it fitted, as I like his work. He's down to earth and he's just an amazing guy. But on that note, Gaz is unfortunately away in Florida for 2 weeks. It's alright for some of us is like sunning it up here, but happens, so I'm having to get it booked in somewhere else, ready for what is to come in May. So I'm on my way down to Wheelhouse Tyres, obviously the company that I brought the tyre through, and they're going to get it fitted for me. Obviously I'm on a bit of a time scale today. Obviously finished work, I've got to get back home, I've got to get Cameron from school and get him sorted and everything. So they've told me, you know, give about an hour. So what can I do to kill an hour whilst the bike is having its tyre fitted? Well, luckily there is CMC Motorcycles right next door, and who doesn't love a good bit of window shopping? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go into CMC and I'm going to have a little wander around, and then obviously we will have a nice little steady ride back, obviously being a brand new tyre, because we all know that fresh rubber on a motorcycle isn't the best thing. So guys, I shall see you at Wheelhouse Towers. So guys, brand new rubber fitted on the bike. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's going to take some getting off. Oh. But brand new tyre fitted, sorted, done. These are freaking amazing. Rock straps. Held that tyre, not a problem. So let's take a nice steady ride back home. Obviously on fresh rubber. So guys, as you've probably just seen, had a nice little walk around CMC whilst the tyre was getting fitted, and they had some absolutely beautiful bikes in there. They had a gorgeous, and I'm going to get so much criticism for this right now, they had a gorgeous R1250 GSA in there, and I got a quote on it, I got a quote on what they'd give me for this. It's safe to say obviously the Africa Twin is staying. They can't get anywhere near my budget. I wanted to get the tyre fitted last weekend, but I chose not to because obviously we were going out on Sunday, and obviously Cameron was coming out on the back of me, and I didn't want to have a brand new tyre on the back with Cameron on the back. I wanted to get the tyre scrubbed in, so I've got confidence in the back, obviously, with carrying Cameron. So we went out Sunday. We went up to the Auto Bright Open Day, and the weather was horrendous. Kay got absolutely soaked, bless her. She decided to wear her Kevlar jeans and her TCX ankle boots, and yeah, safe to say she got absolutely drenched. And we were going to record, but we didn't. We chose not to in the end, because we had our first ever hiccup with Cameron on the bike, really. It was nothing too big, but I think he got a little bit claustrophobic in the helmet. It's the longest he's ever been on the bike without stopping as well. So for us to get up to Stoke took us about an hour and 20 to an hour and a half, and we did that in just a straight hit. Now we don't know what it was that was the main cause of it. We don't know. Night before, he went to his grandparents' house, spent the night. We picked him up really early in the morning because we had an early start. We did skip breakfast. We got up there and he looked as pale as anything. So we met up with the lads. Obviously there was myself, Kay, Cameron, there was Moisty, there was Motovlog UK, there was Fasty Rides with Neil, and there was also Dan there. And I could honestly, hand on heart, I couldn't ask for better friends. The only thing that would have made it perfect would have been Jay, Crazy Legs on a bike there, but he had he'd got other plans with Richie Vida, and by the looks of it he had an absolutely fantastic day. But no, the lads that we was out with, hand on heart, I couldn't ask for better friends. I really couldn't. Not one of them moaned about Cameron, and they all, every single one of them, was so helpful and encouraging, telling him how well he'd been doing and how well he does and how cool he is and all that sort of stuff. And when they seen how he was feeling, straight away they were like, right, come on, we're going McDonald's, gotta go take you to McDonald's, come on. So we did, we went to McDonald's. It was absolutely packed. It was so overwhelming at the Auto Bright Open Day. So Dale, I do apologise that we didn't stay very long, but 100% we will definitely be coming back up there again, because I do need some new products. But I was not joining the back of that queue. So yeah, so obviously we went to McDonald's. We sat there, we had some food, we all got a hot drink inside us. Kay spent I'd say 95% of the time in the toilets with her boots under a hand dryer. And Cameron absolutely loved it. He loved the interaction he was getting. So once we obviously got some food inside him, he said he started feeling better. And then we decided to take a ride to Monash. And we said to him, just crack your visor open just a tiny little bit. You know, leave your visor open so you've got some nice fresh air just hitting you in the face. Maybe that'll help, and hopefully that'll help. And we said to the guys, you know, if you just want to just go off, we'll just take our own set pace and we'll meet you there. We know where we're going. And they didn't leave us at all. They stuck by our side. Honestly, guys, I can't thank you enough for that. It means so much. And yep, we then stayed in Monash for a good half hour, 45 minutes, having a good catch up and a chin wag. And then we decided to part our ways. So Fasty, Neil and Dan carried on up their way. I imagine back through the peaks, through the Strines, over Home Firth and home. Whereas myself, Kay, Moisey and Motovlog UK, we made our way back home. And we found a new meeting point actually, which is a lot more convenient for us both. So all in all, yeah, Sunday was a great day. And it was really nice actually, because there was no pressure of cameras, there was no pressure of anything, and it was just really nice. I don't know what's the matter with me at the minute. I don't know if I've just lost motivation in editing or anything like that. Obviously, I've still got the Cotswolds video to edit. So if this video comes out before the Cotswolds video, yeah, or it might be the other way around, but I've got all the footage on the computer ready to edit and I just can't be bothered to get on there and do it. I don't know what's the matter with me. I'm hoping, obviously with the weekends away in May that we're doing and the footage that we're going to get, I'm really hoping to just get that motivation back and just start smashing videos back out. Hall Park. They're meant to do a good bikers breakfast on a Wednesday apparently. Never been, so I can't actually comment on it. Obviously I'm at work when that's going on. I'm going to try and get out this weekend if I can. Obviously just try and do maybe like a 100-mile loop around the local lanes, try and scrub this back tyre in a little bit more, but we shall see. But what an absolutely beautiful day it has been. And I've just heard that apparently next week the weather's meant to change and it's meant to go really crap, which is not a good thing. We don't like that. We don't want that. We want nice hot weather. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you stay safe and I hope to see you out there. Take it easy guys.